Jackson.
Nice to meet you. I'm Jennifer.
Hey, Jennifer.
Hi, how are you? I'm Alexis.
The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a tornado warning for central Tangipahoa Parish in southeastern Louisiana until 5:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Robert, or near Hammond, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Hammond around 4:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time. This includes Interstate 12 between mile markers 45 and 50. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parish: Tangipahoa, Louisiana.
Does he